Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're playing Grow a Garden and wondering which early game pets and are worth it today, we're covering 3 that you can get right from the egg shop. The dog, the golden lab, and the bunny that you can only hatch at the common egg. The common egg is always available in the egg shop with a 100% spawn rate so you can hatch it anytime. All of these pets have an equal 33.3% hatch chance. You have an fair shot at getting any of them, but the real question is, which one is actually useful? First up is the dog pet. This pet has a passive ability that activates every 58.42 seconds, giving a 5.08% chance to dig up a random seed. It's not super flashy, but seeds are essential in the early game. If you're still starting out and don't have a lot of tools or pets, having a dog that randomly digs up seeds while you AFK or harvest can be helpful over time. It's simple but it works, especially for beginners looking to build up their farm. Next is the Golden Lab, basically an upgraded version of the dog. It has slightly longer cooldown at 58.95 seconds, but the reward is much better at 10.11% chance to dig up a seed. That's nearly double the dog's effectiveness for just a tiny increase in cooldown. If you manage to hatch these pets early, it's much better investment. So between the dog and the golden lab, always go for golden lab if you can. And now let's talk about the bunny, and this one beats different. Every 42.76 seconds, the bunny eats a carrot and in return you get a 1.53 times value bonus on that carrots. Sounds great, right? But here's the catch. The bunny only activates if you're actually growing carrots. No carrots, no bonus. That bunny just sits there doing nothing. That's why I only recommend this pet for beginners. If you're still farming carrots, it can help boost your coin a bit. But once you move on the higher value crops, the bunny become pretty much useless. That's why I only recommend this pet for beginners if you're still farming carrots. It can help boost your coin a bit, but once you move on the higher value crops, the bunny become pretty much useless. For mid game or pro players, I'd skip this pet entirely. That's it for today. If this helped you out, drop a like and hit that bell so